Fire Escape Academy Inspector Training. We're in an alleyway back here, and let's take a look at what what happens when fire escapes are looked at. I do it, and they need repair. First thing you got to see is whether or not the fire escape has been kept painted. If it has more, in order to write a deterioration violation, does it have more paint than rust or more rust than paint? Obviously this fire escape, which is not very old in construction, looks like it has more paint than rust, so you can't write a violation. But now let's take a look at it structurally and see what are some of the things that are wrong with the fire escape here. First of all, you look at some of the issues on the treads. From far away, if you were just this far away, you can see that the fire escape underneath the treads, there's some tearing going on. So water is definitely getting in from above and working its way back down. So let's just take a quick peek. If this is an inspection of the building, but then you happen to be looking at down here, you can see that there's definitely some rust underneath happening on the treads. So that's enough to basically cause a violation and a concern as to whether or not somebody's going to sign off on this one. So these look like sister fire escapes. So let's take a look at this one. Built the same way, probably the same company built them, and now you're looking at what happens depending on which way it's facing. We've got some mortar issues, but look how much rust is happening here. So obviously the rust is getting in there and eating these treads. So we have an unsafe condition, and it needs an investigation by a structural engineer. And then the final one, there's this little baby one. This little baby one over here is built approximately at the same time, but it too, a fire escape doesn't have to be that tall, that high. It's got more paint than rust, so that looks good, but we got some spalling at the cement level, we got treads, and if you look underneath here, you probably find that the rust is starting to get underneath there. One of the things we recommend is that you seal the tops of these so that the rust stops growing from underneath. So any questions on any and all these fire escapes that we just showed you, give us a call at fireescapeengineers.com, 866-649-0333. You can also get some more information and more videos to watch on the right way to inspect fire escapes on their YouTube. Type in Fire Escape Inspector, Fire Escape inspections, fire escape repairs, fire escape seminars, and you'll see quite a few of these videos online for future training, online directly, free of charge. We also offer free consultation and implementation of a fire escape awareness program in your city, and that would include industry standard confidence tests, industry standard tags, load test criteria, as well as repair procedures. Again, fireescapeengineers.com, 866-649-0333.